Hunting for the best universities for creative writing can be both confusing and daunting. Our video will help you find the best content writing courses available in India. Before we proceed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That little notification bell will also help you to be always informed about the latest updates from UniSquare Concepts. Pursuing creative writing courses in India can open new doors for you. These courses will help you to become a better writer by preparing you for the challenges that will come your way. A degree or a certificate in writing will help you find a leverage over the writers who do not pass it. We are not here to rank the best creative writing courses in India. After some survey, we have found that the institutes in this video to provide some of the best content writing courses available. Here are some of the best creative writing courses in India. Number 1. Sri Aurobindo Center for Arts and Communication, Delhi. This is one of the best universities for pursuing creative writing courses in India. Their creative writing course encompasses blogging, fiction writing, content writing, journalistic writing, and editing. People aged over 16 years can apply for the admission test to get entry here. The course lasts for 3 months. It promises to teach the technical know-hows of writing. The classes are held on Sundays and Saturdays. Number 2. Indira Gandhi National Open University, Delhi. If you want to find the best content writing courses in India, you need to look no further than IGNOU. The course claims to teach the writer's art and develop his creative ability. It will help you develop your imaginative faculties. IGNOU hands you a diploma after a minimum duration of 1 year. The minimum age of applicants should be 20. Only candidates who are 10+2 pass may apply. Another advantage of pursuing this creative writing course in India is that this course is a distance learning course. So you can take this up from the comfort of your home or also while working simultaneously. Since you are looking for a creative writing course in India, you would already be aware with the importance of being creative. However, as a matter of discussion, creativity is an essential quality that is lacking among the Indian youth today. Number 3. British Council, Kolkata and Delhi. The British Council is one of the oldest and best institutions that provides creative writing courses in India. The centers are situated both in Kolkata and Delhi. The course in Kolkata has 2 divisions, Summer Intensive and Term 1. They both last for 50 hours each. The course in Delhi is Term 1 and lasts for 8 weeks. The creative writing courses offered by British Council claim to improve writing skills by influencing your creativity. Although a bit on the expensive side, these creative writing courses are highly in demand in India. Number 4. Xavier Institute of Communications, Mumbai. Another very effective creative writing course you can go for is at the Xavier Institute in Mumbai. It involves writing exercises, studying the works of famous authors, and critiquing fellow students' work. The duration of the course consists of 6 sessions of 2 hours each, starting 6:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Anyone aged above 18 can try. Number 5. Writers.com. To find the best content writing courses in India, you need to try Writers.com. They provide online writing classes and tutorials. You can opt for private classes with you and the teacher. Their course duration lasts from 4 weeks to 8 weeks. The courses range from $100 to $400, depending on the course and duration. They help with editing, proofreading, manuscript reviews, and various others. It endorses independent study. Number 6. WritersDigest.com. Writer's Digest is one of the most famous creative writing websites on the internet. It offers online writing workshops, boot camps, and courses. Its famous workshops feature fiction writing, copywriting, book marketing, non-fiction writing, short story writing, screenwriting, and many more. Number 7. Content writing category of the UniSquare blog. Though this is not a course, the content writing category of the UniSquare blog has numerous well-researched, practically oriented articles for beginners and professionals to learn content writing. You can spend time in this section according to your convenience and learn essential topics for grooming your content writing skills. Being a writer is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. Writers are not born. People become writers by the means of their hard work and determination. A creative writing course will give that confidence to get ahead in your career. The rest is up to you. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it further with your friends. Waiting to hear your views in the comment section.